Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This is another Theta update video, and if you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. It does mean a lot. Alright, today I have three stories for you. The first one is a update. There hasn't been a lot of them, but from Katy Perry Q4 2021, and the end of Q4 is right around the corner, so it is nice to have a couple updates here and there. The second story I have is another ThetaDrop update. This had to do with a drop that was supposed to be able to be pre-funded, but they're pushing that back a little bit, so I want to let everyone know. And then the last story is a ThetaTv story. If you're part of the ThetaTv family, then I think you will appreciate this one. All right, so let's hop into the first one. Once again, Katy Perry, Q4 2021. As we know, not too much information. We don't know what NFTs there's going to be. We don't know the prices. We don't know much of anything associated with it, but an article came out recently from Gotham, and some of the leadership team from Theta, they actually retweeted this article, and that's how I found it. But the article is Katy Perry pulls back the curtain on life in the spotlight, and it gives a brief overview of who Katy Perry is. I won't read all that because I think everyone is familiar with who this individual is, what she has done in the past, but a little bit further on in the article, it does start to talk about her partnership with Theta, and that is the part that I will read. She says she also intends to utilize her love of art as a treat for fans. Her show will become the first Las Vegas residency to incorporate NFTs thanks to her partnership with the Theta network. The first thing we're going to be auctioning off with the NFTs is the craziest thing I've ever done. We'll be creating something unique in the NFT space every single night. They will all be original, says Perry. I think some people don't understand how NFTs work or what their value is, so it does feel like we're pioneering and trailblazing in this way. Imagine if I put my finger up during the song Firework and you wanted to own that moment. Now you could. So this is, it leads me to believe there are a couple things going to happen with these NFTs. The NFTs will drop via different nights because in her lineup she has a different concert every single night. And it seems like if there is some part of the show that stands out, Theta, who also makes me think they will be live streaming this event, they can take that live stream, they can turn it into an NFT, and then they can drop it on ThetaDrop. That is pretty unique. That is different. I do like where they're going with that. And I've also seen on previous articles where part of the sets, so like this big teddy bear, a lot of it, and it was quoted from Katy Perry, something along the lines of, a lot of these set pieces, they just kind of get thrown out after the set. So imagine if you could sell those pieces to individuals. I bet, there is someone out there, some fans who would love to, purchase this teddy bear. So that potentially could be another NFT play for the future. But like I said, we will see. Q4 of 2021 is almost over, so hopefully more and more bits of information like this will be coming soon. All right. The second bit of news that I have is on ThetaDrop. So this one was found on Twitter, and it is about the Cosmographia NFT drop. As we see here, it was supposed to start approximately 1 p.m. I believe it was today, but they are going to push that back now. There was an update, so pre-funding for the Cyberpunk Kingdom has been rescheduled to Thursday, December 9th at approximately 1 p.m. Pacific time. They didn't really state why that is, but so instead of, expecting it to be this week, we can expect it to be next week on Thursday. So if you are ready to pre-fund, definitely get ready for that. The one thing that I did find interesting, there is still no pre-fund available here on ThetaDrop, so it kind of does leave you wanting more. I definitely do want some more information, and that is a common theme with these Theta NFTs. I always want more information before the drop. But I'll just leave that there. And the last little bit of news that I have for you today is a quick little ThetaTv update. If you're part of the ThetaTv fan, there is a shake and bake. So it's the holiday season and we want to know what you are cooking this December. Share with us a video of you baking, cooking, grilling your dish this December and have the community vote for their favorite dish. So you can tweet at ThetaTv your video alongside with the hashtag ThetaBakeOff to enter. Then you can join us on December 17th at 3 p.m. for a community voting live stream. You can watch as we review each submission and then vote for our favorites. And of course, this is all hosted on ThetaTv. So if you don't have an account, you can log in. I have a link in the description below where you can follow me as well. But here is the prize information. I know this is the important part. So the top voted dishes will receive an exclusive unannounced piece of ThetaTv merchandise that has never been released before. I'm kind of curious to see if it is actually like a physical or digital piece of merchandise. I would love for it to be an NFT, but we will have to stand by and see. So, as a quick video this time, with 3 bits of news we talked about, the update to ThetaTv. If you are a chef, if you like grilling, definitely take a video of it this time. And then the second bit of news was just the pre-funding for the Cyberpunk Kingdom has been pushed back till next week, December 9th. So get ready to pre-fund at that time. And then lastly, there was a little nugget of information that came out for Katy Perry's Q4 2021 ThetaDrop. And once again, if you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you on the next one.